In 1905, Albert Einstein was 26 years old, working as a clerk in the Swiss patent office in Bern. He didn't have a fancy laboratory, assistants, or a university position. What he had was a second-hand desk, a small apartment, and a restless mind that wouldn't stop questioning reality. In just 1 year, he published 4 revolutionary papers in the journal Annalen der Physik, now called the Annus Mirabilis Papers, Latin for Miracle Year Papers. 1. Photoelectric effect proved that light behaves like particles, later won him the Nobel Prize in 1921. 2. Brownian motion proved the existence of atoms. 3. Special theory of relativity claimed time and space are not absolute but change depending on speed. 4. Mass-energy equivalence, the world's most famous equation, E equals mc2, showing that mass can turn into energy and vice versa. This was shocking. Until then, physics followed Newton's laws, assuming time ticks the same for everyone. Einstein said, "No, time bends, space bends, reality is flexible." Special relativity, space and time dance. Einstein's special relativity, 1905, showed time slows down when you move close to the speed of light. Distances shrink in the direction you're moving. Nothing can travel faster than light, it's the ultimate speed limit. To the public, it sounded impossible, but for scientists, it was like opening a new door to the universe. From clerk to professor, Einstein's work caught attention. By 1909, he was a professor in Zurich. In 1911, he moved to Prague, and by 1914, he was back in Germany at the Prussian Academy of Sciences in Berlin. The Big Leap, General Relativity, 1915. Special relativity only worked for constant speeds. But what about gravity? Newton's theory of gravity had ruled since the 1600s, an invisible force pulling objects together. Einstein thought differently. Gravity is not a force, it's the bending of space and time by mass. He imagined spacetime as a giant, flexible fabric. Planets, stars, and black holes make dents in it, and those dents guide how objects move. By November 1915, after 10 years of work, Einstein presented his general theory of relativity to the Prussian Academy. It was a masterpiece, not just physics, but mathematics and imagination fused into one. World impact. General relativity wasn't just beautiful, it worked. It explained the strange orbit of Mercury that Newton's laws couldn't. Predicted that light bends when it passes near massive objects. This bending of light was confirmed in 1919 during a solar eclipse, making Einstein a global celebrity overnight. Fun fact for today. Einstein's equations are so accurate that GPS satellites must adjust their clocks to account for time running differently in orbit compared to Earth, or your navigation would be off by kilometers every day.